good morning everyone, and welcome to a morning video. It is Wednesday, and I wanted to share with you just a little bit of some updates of what has been going on. It has been a very busy season. I have been doing a lot of things off the camera, which are repetitious, and so it's just things that you would see all the time, and I thought, well, I don't need to turn the camera on and show you the same thing over and over again, but I've been doing a lot of preserving, creating my own pantry with the foods from the garden. I am harvesting more potatoes and onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, green beans, red beets, and I will be harvesting the carrots real soon. I've been waiting a little bit longer in this season to harvest them. And so I've been really busy with babysitting, with having the grandchildren over now more than twice a week. That keeps me really busy. And so it's been a wonderful summer, been a very hot and humid summer, but I'm really thankful that the garden did well. Now it's soon time for the oil. Soon time for the wood stove again. And it is soon time for the oil lamp again. And that means a cozy, cool, beautiful cabin type videos, which I'm really excited to make. As you know, most of you do know, fall is the favorite time of the year for me. I love fall. I love when the air is cool and crisp. I have not experienced that at all this summer. We've had record heat, day and night, and high humidity. So it gets kind of hot and humid and buggy. We had so many gnats this year. So that has been something that has been a challenge for me. I'm going to go ahead and show you a little something that I got in the mail today, and then we will talk about some other things on this short video on a Wednesday morning with all of you. Amanda and her mother were going through some things, and they wanted to send me different packages, but this is what came the first. And it's so cute. So she has a doily and she wrapped it, and I didn't look inside. As you know, I love doilies, absolutely love them. They're all throughout my house. And she also gave this, which a lot of you will ask questions about things like this. So let me show you. She has it in string. I wear little keys like this, and I wear things. Now these are just little trinkets, little things that through the years people put in packages for me, and I wear them as necklaces. So I'm going to be taking this key off of this string and putting it with my leather and making a leather necklace out of it. I like very unusual things, and I'm just a little more of a whimsical person. So isn't that cute? Yep, that's another necklace for me. So let me see what she gave a little bookmark. And then this is what she gave. And let's open it inside and see what treasures await us. Drum roll, please. I think this is adorable. So it's one of those treasure books. It is a fake book. It's not a real book. But she has all kinds of craft projects in it. My grandchildren and I love craft projects. And so she's got all kinds of neat things in here. Isn't this adorable? With feathers and notes. As you all know, I love writing and making notes and all kinds of fun things. Super duper fun. So this is an inkwell. This is for ink, I think so. Yes, this is for my feathered pens, which I have lots and lots and lots of them. So that's going to go over there. And all kinds of neat things in this little treasure. Look at this. Looks so neat and old. As you know, I love old things. and beautiful cards, which I'm going to keep it all in here because that way I have it all together. I really want to get into this stamping. Now this is a sticker, but I do have the wax stamps that I want to do and work with that. Wow. Oh my word. Once Upon a Time. It's a book. That is the most adorable thing. It opens up, has real pages in it. That is the neatest necklace I have ever seen. Oh my word, this is adorable. Oh my word, that's gorgeous. Oh, I just told you I love different things. So I really want to thank Amanda and her mother for such beautiful gifts. And I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in here. And I'm going to use this for my letter writing. And this one says Music for Sailor. So what's inside? She took a lot of time to create this. Oh my word, sounds like rain. Absolutely love them. And this is the Shepherd's Songs, Sounds Like Rain. Beautiful CD. Thank you so much. As you know, Seila's here a lot and we will be playing this for her. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching this morning's video. I want to turn the camera off. I'm going to be probably doing some more canning, doing some more freezing. My freezers are pretty plumb full. This time of the year, my house with food is full. So my stock is getting fuller and I'm really good at trying to have my pantries, or the old way of saying larders. The larder is full, and that is what I like to do at the end of the summer, is make sure everything is well stocked and ready to go. We have to get some more wood. We got to be working on that and get more wood stacked, and that's always something that's exciting and fun. A lot of work, but it's something that we enjoy in the season. I just realized it looks to me like a wax stamp too. Love it.